Completing electronic onboarding. You will receive an email with a link to register on the Regis portal in order to complete your new hire paperwork online. Click on the link and enter the information requested to register. Enter your last name, social security number, personal email address, and create your unique username and password. Password requirements will be listed below. Register. Once you have registered, log in with the credentials you created. Your welcome screen will explain the forms you will be completing. Please keep in mind that the forms may vary depending on the company's required forms. To begin onboarding, click on Get Started. The first form is a consent to proceed electronically. This form is an agreement to complete and sign your forms online. Enter your first and last name at the bottom, and then accept and continue. You will then be prompted to complete your I-9. Read the overview and click Next. Enter your information and be sure to complete every field on this form. If the field is not applicable to you, enter NA in any empty fields and then click Next. Choose your citizenship or immigration status. Depending on the selection you make, additional information may be required. Check the box under signature to sign electronically and click Next. Choose whether you used a preparer and/or translator and continue. You will now be able to review your I-9 and have the option to download the form for your records. If all information is correct, click Submit and Continue at the bottom of the screen. Are you sure? Click Yes. The next section is employee information. Enter any required pending fields and click Next. On the address screen, the system will populate a full address based on the address you entered. If your mailing address is the same, click Next. If not, uncheck the box and enter the address. Enter your emergency contact information. This is a required field. Next, you will be prompted to choose your race and ethnicity, disability status, and veteran status. You can also choose to decline to state for any of these items. Depending on your resident and work location, you will be prompted to complete any tax forms that are required. Complete and submit all required tax forms. If you are unsure what to enter on the tax forms, please consult your tax professional. Here you will choose whether you want to continue in English or Spanish, or whether you're a non-resident alien or foreign earned income exclusion. Go ahead and click Start for your federal tax form. Enter whether you are a non-resident alien or not. Select your filing status and choose whether you want to file this form or whether you're exempt from 2020 withholding. Choose the correct option from Step 2 survey. You can choose to complete the worksheet or choose that are only 2 jobs total. Enter if you would like to claim any dependents. You also have the option to complete step 4, which are other adjustments for other income, deductions, and extra withholding. You will now have the option to review your W-4 form. If everything is correct, go ahead and sign this form and submit. You can also print for your records. Once you have completed the tax forms, you will have the option to download for your records as well. If not, go ahead and click Continue. Next, you will be prompted to enter your direct deposit information. You can add as many accounts as needed. Enter your account type, whether checking or savings, routing number, and account number. For deposit method, you can either choose a percentage if adding several accounts, or you can choose fixed amount to enter a flat dollar amount if you are adding several accounts. If you are only choosing one account or you want to add the remainder, you can choose remainder, or you can also choose to not set up direct deposit and receive a paper check. If your company requires a background check, you will be prompted to electronically sign the background investigation disclosure and consent form. You will also have the option to download a copy of the form. If your company has an employee handbook, you will have the option to download the handbook and sign the employee handbook acknowledgement at the bottom. The worksite employee acknowledgement explains the relationship between your employer and Regis HR Group. Please take the time to review and sign at the bottom. Once complete, you will see a summary of all forms that have been completed or submitted. When ready, click Continue to submit. Congratulations, you are almost done. Check the box to acknowledge your forms are complete and correct and submit your forms.